After most of the assembly, putty work is done to correct the joint line. Add lacquer shiner to the Tamiya putty and paint it with a brush, and apply the putty several times. Apply putty several times repeatedly, while drying several places. The recently released kit from Tamiya Academy is definitely great, because the painstaking work of putting on putty and grinding is definitely reduced. Considering the scale, carefully apply putty using a thin brush. Apply the putty several times in the same way, to the mating faces of the fuel tank, or armament-related parts. Use acrylic putty to fill in the areas where the gap is bigger. Spread and apply enough acrylic putty in the gap, dry it for a certain period of time, and then use an alcohol-coated cotton swab to wipe off the part where the acrylic putty is used to fill the gap. It's a method that's often used in a way that's very simple and has a great effect. The acrylic putty used in the video was worked on using the acrylic putty of Vallejo. Now wait a day or two for the putty to dry well.